President Trump's contraction of the coronavirus this week has led to a surge in support for Democrat Joe Biden, a Reuters Ipsos poll found Sunday, as the majority of voters link Trump's diagnosis to an overall cavalier attitude toward the virus. The American public was first notified that President Trump and First Lady Melania Trump tested positive for the virus in the early hours of Friday. Trump has been consistently dismissive of COVID-19's severity since it hit the U.S. in late January, purposefully downplaying what he labeled in private as deadly stuff, while refusing to follow social distancing and mask usage guidelines at a slew of large campaign rallies and events. One such event, the September 26 nomination ceremony for Trump's Supreme Court pick Amy Coney Barrett in the White House's Rose Garden, is thought to be where the Trumps may have contracted coronavirus as at least 6 others, including former White House advisor Kelyanne Conway, former New Jersey Governor Christie, R., Senators Mike Lee, R. Utah, and Thom Tillis, R.N.C., as well as Notre Dame President Rev. John Jenkins, also tested positive after the event. President Trump is currently in hospital at the Walter Reed Army Medical Center. While Trump's physician gave rosy reports of the president's health and swift recovery, it was later revealed the president struggled heavily on Friday and received supplemental oxygen. Chief of Staff Mark Meadows said Trump had been through a very concerning time, and that the next 48 hours were crucial to the president's recovery. The next debate, a head-to-head between Vice President Mike Pence, R., and Biden's Vice President pick Kamala Harris, is scheduled to take place October 15. However, a majority, 59%, of those polled by Reuters Ipsos said debates should be postponed until Trump recovers. How sick is Trump? White House offers conflicting messages. Forbes, Christie checks into hospital after testing positive for COVID-19. Forbes, Rose Garden event suspected of virus outbreak alarms D.C. officials. The Washington Post, full coverage and live updates on the coronavirus.